जो अमेंडमेंट्स हुए हैं नाटा एग्जामिनेशन वो पहले देख लो, सुन लो, उसके बाद लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब बाद में का पार्ट है, ठीक है। रुको देख के जाओ। Guys, the previous video which I made was totally on the general NATA examination paper pattern and on my experience related to NATA examination. Today on 25th July 2020, when I visited the official website of NATA on www.nata.in, I saw a total new update on page number 4 of the brochure which substitutes the paper-based test for this year.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Shall we begin?
As you all know, every year NATA examination is conducted twice, and in this year the first examination of NATA would be conducted on 29th August 2020 in 2 sessions. The first session of this examination would be starting at 10 AM sharp till 12 noon, and the second session of this examination, which is for those candidates who fall in the optional case, would be starting from 12:30 PM to 2:30 PM sharp. The second NATA examination of this year has still not been updated on the official website of NATA. I will surely let you know as soon as it will be updated on the website. So all the best to each and every candidate, those who are appearing for NATA 2020. जो अमेंडमेंट्स हुए हैं नाटा एग्जामिनेशन वो पहले देख लो, सुन लो, उसके बाद लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब बाद में का पार्ट है, ठीक है। रुको देख के जाओ। नाटा एग्जामिनेशन 2020 would carry a total of 200 marks, and this examination would be conducted in 2 parts, Part B and Part A. In this year, Part B is the first examination. Now let us observe the amendments done in test Part 1. Till the previous year, this test was conducted offline and was a paper based, and now due to this exceptional circumstances, it would be an online cognitive skill based drawing and visual composition test, in which preferential type and multiple choice type questions would be asked. Now this part would be Part B, will carry 75 marks, and Part A will carry 125 marks. Now here you will have to be very careful while going through the NATA brochure. The first part of the examination which you will be appearing for would be Part B, that carries 75 marks, and the duration to complete this part would be 45 minutes. In this part, the questions based on physics, chemistry and math subjects, general aptitude and logical reasoning will be asked. Now let us observe the breakdown of questions and marks in this part as follows. 15 questions based on PCM subjects, each question carrying 1.5 marks, and 35 questions based on general aptitude and logical reasoning, with each question carrying 1.5 marks, which sums up to 75 marks. Then you would be getting a 3 minutes break, and the next part would start, which would be Part A. Amendments have been seen in this part as well. It carries 125 marks, which is to be completed within 72 minutes. Questions based on cognitive skills will be asked. Now let us understand what is the meaning of cognitive skills according to English dictionary. It is a brain based skill which is needed in acquisition of knowledge, manipulation of information and reasoning. Some examples which I got are bubble diagram, zoning, which are the initial process used in designing a particular space. One question of 17 marks based on preferential type questions, which would be 12 minutes. Then the next 3 questions of 16 marks each based on preferential type questions would be given 12 minutes each. The last type of questions based on multiple choice, 6 questions each carrying 10 marks, should be completed within 4 minutes each. Here your NATA examination ends. So I don't think it would be so simple and easy, but make sure that you go well prepared in this examination. So guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you are a new visitor to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for getting the new updates whenever I post a new video. And if you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section box below, and don't forget to share it with your colleagues and friends. और यार कमेंट करोगे तो अच्छा करो, इतने बुरे बुरे कमेंट्स क्यों करते हो भाई? कोई अगर इनिशिएटिव ले रहा है तुमको कुछ बताने के लिए तो उसको ग्रैटिट्यूड शो करो ना, रादर देन शोइंग हेट्रेड. सही नहीं है यार, ये हेट्रेड शो करने की वजह से क्या मोरल एकदम डाउन हो जाता है. मोरल बूस्ट करो, जो भी कुछ अच्छा तुम्हारे पास लाए तो उसका मोरल बूस्ट करो. This year part B has been the first examination because due to this sorry, due to the COVID-19 बोलना वाला तो कुछ और नहीं.